What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to make this three-piece set of candlestick holders in no time flat, so stay tuned. To kick this project off, go ahead and grab your 4x4 pieces of lumber, trim one edge off, cut one to 10 inches, one to 8 inches, and one to 6 inches. What I really love about this project is it's super quick and easy. It's going to clear some of your scrap wood out, and it's going to look great in your house. It took me about a minute and a half to cut all 6 candle holders out at the various lengths. These ones I already marked where I'm going to drill a hole down with a 2-inch Forstner bit. Just take a speed square, just eyeball it. You don't have to be spot on, and find your center point. Mark it with a pencil, and then drill your holes out. After we get these holes drilled out, we're going to go ahead and hit it with the sander. Now, I don't go crazy sanding these things because I want to give it a rustic look. You know, so some of these little dings and nicks, it's going to add some character to it. I mean, you could choose to sand it really nice and smooth, but trust me, it looks pretty good when you don't go crazy on it. All right, so I got all these center points marked out. We'll take it to the drill press and drill them out. All right, guys, you know this is my favorite part of woodworking, the sanding. But guess what? Like I said earlier, we're not going crazy on this. Done with sanding. All right, guys, here's what we got after a super quick and efficient sanding job at 220 grit. Got all the blocks sanded out, ready for the first coat of stain. So for this set, I'm going to mimic a set I already built. Basically, I'm going to get a dark stain color, in this case dark walnut. I'm going to stain these blocks, and then I'm going to get one of those 99-cent cheapy paintbrushes, and I'm going to basically whitewash white paint over the top, and it'll give us that effect. For this other set, I got this crazy idea. I don't know how it's going to turn out. I'm going to be honest with you guys right now. Inside my house, it's kind of a beachy, rustic theme color. So I do have this semi-transparent vintage blue, kind of resembles ocean color, and then a weathered gray. So I'm going to try to combine them, make these things kind of beach theme. May or may not whitewash them. We'll get there when we get there, but let's jump into the coloring. Doesn't got to be perfect. Remember, this is the rustic anchor. We want this stuff to look kind of rustic, worn out a little bit. There's that set. I'll go ahead and get started with this other set. I'm going to change my gloves so I don't taint that, and I'll be right back. Here goes nothing. Don't have that much weathered gray, so see what shakes out. Oh yeah, the bottom of this can is just mush. I am actually out of rags. So, paper towel it is. I may or may not whitewash it. It's kind of hard for you guys to see under this color. It looks gray on camera while I'm recording, but definitely some highlights of gray and blue. So see what happens. All right, before I go ahead and whitewash these guys, maybe whitewash those guys, I want to pull out a little something I bought recently that's been warming up while I've been staining them. It's a little branding iron with the Rustic Anchor logo. It's plug in, takes about 20-30 minutes to heat up. I got mine from Gear Heart Industries. Really digging this thing, so anytime I do little projects or whatever, I'll just put my logo someplace hidden. So no promises how this is going to turn out, but let's see. Oh, that is perfect. So now to the whitewashing. Cheapy dollar brush, whatever white color paint I had on the shelf. This is like a, what did this one say? Like a honeysuckle white. Has like a yellowish tint to it. Pour a little bit in there. Take it to the sink and just dump a little bit of water in it. All right, I put about here to paint, and then probably a tablespoon of just water. The last set we did, my wife finished them, so she's probably a little bit better than I am at this part, making it look rustic. All right, do the top. To whitewash them or not, I think I'm gonna pass, only because I want some contrast between the two. You know what? I lied. I just went for it.